Oh man, so busted. You know I have a thing for buffalo sauce meals, and these tacos from the Taco Tuesday cookbook are incredible. Check out the saucy deliciousness. You won't be able to help yourself either because these buffalo chicken tacos are off the charts. Keep watching to see how this epic recipe comes together in a matter of minutes. Welcome back to another Taco Tuesday recipe where I'm gonna cook my way through the tacos inside of my cookbook, the Taco Tuesday cookbook. If you need a copy, grab it from the description box right below this video so you can make sure to follow along every single week. I'm gonna start by making my homemade ranch. Whether you drizzle yours with ranch or blue cheese, you're definitely want to add some sauce. So in a mason jar, I'm just going to add some mayonnaise, milk, freshly chopped parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, you can definitely substitute dried. Dill, garlic powder, and black pepper. For good measure, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And then we just cover a mason jar and we give it a good mix. And that, my friend, is how easy it is to make your own ranch dressing. So I'm going to refrigerate this until I'm ready to drizzle it. This ranch dressing will last up to 5 days in the fridge, and it's great for salads or as a dip, so have no fear that extras won't go to waste. Well, I have a slow cooker buffalo chicken taco recipe in this channel, which I'll link for you below and in an info card right up there. These tacos are for quick midweek meals where you just want to get it together super fast. In this large skillet, over medium-high heat, I'm just gonna heat up some oil. So once the pan is nice and hot, I'm gonna saute one small onion until it turns golden and translucent. I love sauteing onions, makes me happy. So now I can just add the chicken, which I've already cut into bite-sized pieces so it cooks faster. Okay, so once the chicken is cooked through, it's time to add the buffalo sauce. And then we just give it a quick stir to combine. Reduce your heat to low. All you have to do is simmer it for about 3 minutes until the sauce is heated through and the flavor is cooked right into the chicken. So I like to warm my tortillas by toasting them right onto a skillet. It makes them pliable and it makes them hug the ingredients so much better. But if you don't have a griddle, you can also do it over your stove, in the oven. This is the Laura can't wait to get her taco eating on method. So let's get this taco party started by putting some of the buffalo chicken onto a tortilla, topping it with some avocado. I like blue cheese crumbles with my buffalo sauce, so I'm gonna add those too. And remember the ranch that we made? Well, it's chilled and ready to be drizzled. Wow, check it out. Saucy, spicy chicken with the buffalo flavor you love. Few bits of crumble blue cheese. Dang. This recipe is from the Taco Tuesday cookbook, so make sure you check it out in the link right below this video. If you love tacos as much as I do and want to celebrate every single week for a year in our Taco Tuesday series, make sure to click that red subscribe button. It's free and it's gonna give you something to talk about every single week. See you next time. Everyone loves tacos, but tacos, like, they just make me happy. They make me happy to eat, whatever's in it. When in doubt, you stuff it in a taco. Taco Tuesday every day at the studio.